Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome to another tutorial of Wikitections. Today we will learn about auto layout in iOS development. For this we need to practice on the constraints, safe area and discuss about the alignments in iPhone. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page Wikitections tutorial and follow us on Instagram. So what are you waiting for? Just go and hit the subscribe button. And now let's start with the tutorial. This project was built in day 3 and I give you an assignment to create the project with the UI elements of background, label, image and the text, and change the images. When the button hits, it's change the ticket number randomly, right? In this tutorial we will see the constraints, safe area and alignment of this device, and when we do these things it will set to the other devices like iPhone 4s, iPhone 8 plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 6, iPhone 7 and other than iPhone XR and XS and different variant of iPhone. It will display same. So what we have to do for this, we have to focus on these little things that we will cover in this tutorial. So let's begin. First of all, we can see that we have selected iPhone Pro Max and it shows that the size of devices are mentioned here. For example, it shows iPhone 4s, but after 4s there are lots of phones like iPhone 5s, iPhone 5, and it's not shown in the menu of this selector of iPhone because the iPhone 4s have the same size as iPhone 5 and iPhone 5s. This is why they group the iPhone 4s with the sizes and the ratio. And if we see iPhone 8 plus, it didn't show the iPhone 7 plus or 8 6 plus because the size of the iPhone 8 plus and iPhone 7 plus iPhone have same size like 8 plus. So after that we have selected iPhone Pro Max and it's shown a bit quite promising image that the background is attached to this view with the view without padding or margin, and the image is centrally placed. What if we change the model of iPhone and then see what it will look like if we select iPhone 4s? It will change the image of our center image to anywhere on the screen because the constraints are not handled, it's not aligned. This is why it shows that the icon is dragged from the middle to the bottom of the screen, right? So what we have to focus on, that we need to change the rules and place some constraints so that this UI will look promising, right? So first of all, what we need to do is we need to go back to the device which we are working on, and then first of all we will see that what these hierarchy says, right? This is the view controller scene. That means that you have selected the particular screen, and this is the view controller. View controller have a view. Inside this view we need to see what it shows. When we click the view, this hover the full screen, and when we click inside the view we have safe area. What is safe area? Safe area is about when we need to display our application inside this panel, this panel, we avoid the safe area. Safe area displays the battery status, if the Wi-Fi is connected, what are the signals, if the Bluetooth is connected, if there's any notification, and when we press the back button we need to swipe up the application. So this area is safe area, right? And after this we have an image that is the background of our application, and then the Wikitections logo, which is our logo in the middle. So what is the first step to change the constraint of the image, which is our background, right? So to change the constraint we have to go to this button that says the add new constraint. When we click over here we will see these 4 properties shown here, and the values are 0, 0, 0. because we need to align the image with the corners of the device. So the device is the image is dragged fully with the view, and now the value is 0 0 0, and we just need to hit these connect these constraints to this view area, and after that we need to just add these 4 constraints, and look, it's connected with the view, right? Okay, what we need to do when we switch the orientation from portrait to landscape, it shows that the image is not connected with the safe area. Because it's just a background, we need to kill this safe area and shows the background on the full screen when the app launches. So what we have to do, we have to just go to this section of constraints, click over here. So when we click on the bottom equals to bottom.image view, image view dot bottom means that this is the bottom we are see when we change the orientation. However, when we change the orientation to portrait, it will see the bottom is here. The top is this, the trailing position is this, and the leading position is this. But when we change the orientation, it shows the bottom position is this, the top position is this, the trailing position is this, and the leading position is this, right? So on the top and the bottom, it shows that it is connected with the image top and image bottom. But when we see the leading area is equals to safe leading and trailing area is equal to safe area trailing, what we need to do is change these items, right? By clicking these items, we will see that the attribute inspector shows our first element, which is the image view, and dot leading position is equals to safe area leading. And what we need to do is just change this from the drop down and use the leading position of the image should be connected with the super view. We have to click that. The constraint will be 44, but we don't need to align with 44, we will just go with the 0, right? And when we see that the trailing area is of the image trailing is equal to safe area trailing, we need to just open the drop down, select the super view, and after that it shows that minus constraint 44 is selected, and we don't need this. We will just need to add the constraint that fits to the screen. So now the image is attached with the screen without any margin or without any spacing, right? So this means that your UI is your background is attached, fully attached with the view, right? This view, this is the view, and the image is attached with the view. And now when we read the constraint, it shows bottom is equal to image bottom, image view dot bottom, image view top is equal to top, image view leading is equal to leading, this is the leading position, and image view trailing is equal to image view trailing, right? And we didn't need. So after that, when we change the orientation, the image shows image view shows a bit good, but this image, which is UKTechtion logo, is not aligned perfectly. So for this, we need to add constraint, or to change UI, what we have to do, we have to select that particular item, right? First of all, we will select this item. Now if we change the constraint of this particular item, it shows that the size of from top constraint is 319 and the bottom constraint is 329. The left constraint is 114 and the right constraint will be 114 if we need to centralize this item. But when we change the orientation, let me just add this constraint first and then I will show you. When we change the constraint, it shows that it is aligned perfectly. But when we change the orientation of this device, the image will be placed anywhere on the screen. Because the constraint values are 114 constraint value, but the screen size when we change the orientation will be different from the orientation which we have selected as portrait. When we change the orientation, it shows that the selected constraints are not look cool here. So what we have to do, we have to just undo by clicking Ctrl Z, and after that the constraint will automatically delete it from these this panel. Let me just undo again, and now it shows that all the constraints of this image are deleted, right? And now we have to select the alignment for this particular button, because we need to just show its place centrally aligned on this screen. We need to just press this button, and then we will just add here horizontally in container and vertically in the container. The container is view container, right? And just add the constraint, and now look, it shows that it is aligned perfectly, right? Let's just change the orientation. Now it's perfectly placed on the center when we change the position. And now let's change the iPhone Pro Max to iPhone 4S. So what it will display, it will display cool, like centralize the icon and shows that the background is attached with the view. Let's just wait to view the results. Look, it look cool, right? So it's changed the UI with the respected iPhone size, right? Whatever we change the orientation or the iPhone device, it will show the image view is connected with the view, and the Ukidetection logo is centrally aligned. So that's it for today. Hope you will like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, give thumbs up to this tutorial. Share your comments under the comment section. Share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. In the next session, we will discover constraint with the other UI elements and learn more about constraints, safe area, and alignment. So we will be back with other amazing tutorial. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to subscribe.